First line. World Hearing Day is celebrated every year on the 3rd of March. Second line. It is organized by the World Health Organization, WHO. Third line. This day spreads awareness about hearing loss and ear care. Fourth line. It encourages people to protect their hearing. Fifth line. Loud noise can damage our ears permanently. Sixth line. We should avoid listening to music at high volume. Seventh line. Regular ear checkups help in early detection of hearing problems. Eighth line. Children and adults both should take care of their ears. Ninth line. Hearing is important for communication and learning. 10th line. World Hearing Day reminds us to keep our ears healthy.